Are you tired of always having to improve your ad campaigns? What if you could add another new revenue stream this quarter without having to hire another person or adding another task to your team's plate? Meet a local distributor for Old Hickory Buildings and Sheds. Their marketing team was really struggling with getting the value out of the leads they were paying for and the quality of leads. We didn't sell them a new strategy. We simply found the hidden opportunities and implemented a few key optimizations for them. The result? Instead of 30 leads per month, they got 67, and the leads were even more qualified for the exact same advertising budget. We want to do the same for you. We're offering a limited number of these done-for-you campaign audits. No sales pitches, no commitment. We'll just show you how to unlock the hidden revenue in your existing campaigns. Click the link below to get your free audit today.